Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today. Your boy looking rough right now. Your boy looking rough, man. It's all good, it's all good. It's been working and grinding, man. But you know what I'm saying? Today we got packages at the front door. You know what I'm saying? We got some packages at the front door. Got some Yeezy slides. You know what I'm saying? So not too crazy, man. But got a grade school size, I got a man size, so I'm gonna go unbox all over when I get in the house. But just letting y'all know, man, I ain't been MIA, you know what I'm saying? I kinda have been MIA, but it's all good, it's all love. I still, you know what I'm saying, y'all still my family, y'all still my number one, you know what I'm saying? Y'all my peeps. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. I got a black pair coming tomorrow, so I'll do a review on that tomorrow. What else I got coming in? I want a size 11 in the black and white Nike Dunks. All these are shipped to me, by the way. All these are shipped to me, by the way. But I'll get in the house, I'm gonna explain all that good stuff, man. But like I said, got the packages, man. So I'm gonna show you the packages and stuff like that. So, like I said, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Let's get it. Hey y'all, I'm back in the house, man. It's kind of a hot day today. It's kind of a hot day today, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just bumming it out. Got for work, man. Looking rough. Getting the cut, but tomorrow Friday, and getting the cut tomorrow. So, but like I said in the beginning of the video, man. We got two Yeezy slides. I want these on ship to me. I want a size 12 in the pure and a size 6 in the pure. And I also want a size 10 in the all black ones. I always forget to say the name. I'll be getting say the name wrong sometimes, so I'm just gonna say the all black ones. People always try to check somebody in the video, but it's all good. Like I said, got size 10 in the black, got a size 6 in the pure, size 12 in the pure as well. So if you want any of them sizes, let me know. Shoot me a DM. I'm posting on my shoe page. I haven't really been posting no shoes, like selling wise, because it's been super slow lately. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's been super slowly on the, not even on the resale side, but just shoes period. So shoes slowly gradually picking back up right now, so it's all good. But I also want a size 11 in the Panda Dunks, and shit to me as well on Foot Locker. But I want these Yeezy slides off of Champs. I did all on the Foot Lockers and the kids Foot Lockers on ship to me, but I didn't win any. Comment down below, man, let me know you want any sizes shipped to me on the Yeezy joints or the no say on the black and white Nike Dunks, man. So, but like I said, I got the boxes right here, so we're gonna go ahead and open up these boxes, man. So like I said, like and subscribe if you're new. Let's get the unboxing going, man. So let's start off with the big boy. Let's start off with the size 12. I'm pretty sure this one's a size 12. You can tell this is size 6 right here. So let's go ahead and unbox it, man. Slide. Where we go? Slide. It's like nah. The size 12. Y'all see what that say? Size 12. And it says, oh, it's actually the bone. My fault. Rewind that back. It's the bone. So, ooh, I thought it was the pure. It's the bone. So I ain't did a review on the bone yet. So this is what we gonna do. This is what we gonna do here. I'll mess around and do it today. It might be tomorrow, but expect it by sometime this weekend. I'm gonna do it on feet. You know what I'm saying? Size adjusting everything on this size. Because this is my personal size. I'm not going to keep it, though. It's my personal size, though. But expect an on feet video of these joints right here. So let's go. Expect that for sure. But it says Yeezy slide, size 12, bone. You know what I'm saying? Boom, nothing too crazy. I'm going to go more in depth when I do the review. I haven't seen these yet. Oh, it's a lighter tone. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't do a review on this one yet. So we're going to do a review, on feet review of this Yeezy slide right here. So, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, but like I said, I will be doing an on feet review either today or I'll post it tomorrow, but sometime this weekend. So make sure your post notification bell is on for sure, man. So here they go, man. Nothing too crazy, but like I said, I'm gonna go more in depth on my on feet video. Definitely expect that. Make sure post notification bell is on. This colorway not too bad, but these will get dirty super quick. But this is my personal size, so it'll be easier for me to do on feet of these joints. But Yeezy slides, I'll be wearing these about majority of the time. These are the foam runners. I'll wear these about majority of the time. Every time you see me in some shoes or something, if you see me out in public, I always got some foam runners or some Yeezy slides on. Super comfortable, super comfortable shoe, man. So here they go, man. The size 12. Let's go get the size 6 out. Let's go get the other side. Let's get the size 6 open. All right, size 6, boom. You know what I'm saying? All right, went over the box on the joint. Like I said, I'm gonna go more in depth when I do an on feet video of this slide here. There you go, size 6 right here, so small. But they are super comfortable. It's made of foam. The whole shoe is made of foam, like a boost, foam boost, you know what I'm saying? So you can bend it, whatever, like this, and go back right how it is. But like I said, these will get super dirty super quick, so if you're getting these joints, and be ready to clean them off. You know what I'm saying? Come holler at your boy, cause I shoot clean as well. But still, these definitely will get dirty super quick as well. So, but overall, man, I'm definitely excited to do it on feet. Retail price for these joints, by the way, in case I forget, you know what I'm saying, the retail price on these was $70. So after taxes, when I did the ship to me, was about $84 after taxes, you know what I'm saying? So like 84.08 cents, something like that. So not bad for especially retail price for some Yeezy slides, by the way. Because even though Yeezy slides is dropping, even after taxes, you then are paying about $200 out the door. You're getting these for about $80, you save about $120. That's a nice amount of money to save, you know what I'm saying? So looking out for y'all. But size running Yeezy slides, I always tell people in Yeezy slides, go a whole size up. I wear 11 and a half. A size 12 fits me perfectly fine. I could then do a 13 if I really want to, but a 12 fits me just right. So if you're watching this, listen what I'm trying to tell you. If you wear a 9 and a half, get that 10, because they don't come in half sizes. So they go whole sizes. So like I said, if you wear a 9 and a half, please get that 10. Please don't get that size 9. Please don't, because they're gonna be super snug, super tight. You're gonna get mad, irritated. Like, I take these back. Certain stores, boutiques don't let you do returns. They let you do exchanges or something like that. They don't let you do returns. You know what I'm saying? So, just giving y'all the heads up. Go a whole size up in your Yeezy slides. They don't come in half sizes. Gotta keep repeating it because people always asking. I don't mind repeating myself or, you know what I'm saying, referring back to y'all, but still, go a whole size up. They do not come in half sizes. Just letting y'all know. But yeah, so in case y'all got any questions, concerns, shoot me a DM or comment down below, man. You know what I'm saying? But colorway not bad too. Like I said, colorway not bad at all. But like I said, these will get dirty super quick. So be anticipating the scuff marks more often than the Yeezy side, because I got the dark brown ones and they don't get dirty at all majority of the time, because you really can't tell the scuff marks or anything like that. But with these, oh, for sure, most definitely, you're gonna definitely tell with these joints, man. They gonna get dirty super quick, and for sure. Hey, like I said, overall, man, I'm definitely excited to get this on feet going. These joints, not today. I ain't gonna do on feet of these joints today. I'm just getting a video showing y'all what I got in the mail. You know what I'm saying? Just a quick little video so get y'all a little update, man. But make sure y'all tune in. I got the black ones coming in tomorrow. It's a size 10. But I still do a review out for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Unboxing and all that good stuff, man. So be ready for that as well. And also, man, subscribe to the channel. Why not subscribe to the channel, man? Why not? We just hit 1.6. Let's get to 2,000. The goal right now is to hit 5,000 by the end of this year. I'm gonna reach that for sure. My mind said I'm gonna reach the 5K. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure to follow me on all platforms down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Definitely, like I said, excited to do these joints. Got the black ones coming in tomorrow. Got the black and white panda dunks coming in. Got a lot of stuff coming in, man. So like I said, stay tuned for sure, man. Gerald 1 is out. Y'all have a blessed one. Gerald 1 is out. Peace.